Good morning, students. Here are some questions which have come from the chapter solved. So let's see the question first. Consider the following substances. Here few substances are given and the questions which are asked are among the substances which are given. So let's see the substances that are given. Sodium chloride, calcium hydroxide or slag lime, sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, ammonia, sodium carbonate, water, chlorine, carbon dioxide, calcium sulfate diphosphate or gypsum, 2CaSO4, H2O or POP, plaster of Paris, CaOCl2 means bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, CuSO4, this is anhydrous copper sulfate. Now let's see the question. Which two substances combine together to form bleaching powder? We know that when chlorine gas passes through slag lime, then bleaching powder is formed. So we must find out slag lime and chlorine. This is slag lime and this is chlorine. So these two will combine together to form bleaching powder. CaOH whole 2 plus chlorine gas will give CaOCl2 plus H2O. This is the bleaching powder. Which four substances are utilized in the production of washing soda? For preparing washing soda, we know that brine is needed, ammonia is needed, carbon dioxide is needed and water is needed. When these four substances combine together, then it gives sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also known as baking soda, and when baking soda is heated, it gives washing soda. So we will take four substances that are used for preparing washing soda. Brine or sodium chloride plus ammonia plus carbon dioxide plus water. All these combines together to give ammonium chloride plus sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. This is baking soda. When this is heated, then it gives sodium carbonate. So four substances are needed for preparation of sodium carbonate or washing soda. Third question. Which compound represents plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4 half H2O. But if we multiply the equation with 2, we get this equation, 2CaSO4 H2O. So CaSO4 half H2O and 2CaSO4 H2O are same. So this is plaster of Paris. We will write 2CaSO4 H2O. This is plaster of Paris. Which compound is a part of baking powder along with tartaric acid? We know that baking powder is a mixture of baking soda plus tartaric acid. So baking powder is NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So the compound sodium hydrogen carbonate is mixed with tartaric acid to give baking powder. Which compound is used for testing moisture in a liquid? We know that anhydrous copper sulfate is used to test the presence of moisture in a liquid because anhydrous copper sulfate has a property to restore its blue color and form copper sulfate pentahydrate. So we use anhydrous copper sulfate for detecting presence of moisture in a liquid. CuSO4 or anhydrous copper sulfate will be the answer. Substances from which POP or plaster of Paris is prepared. We know very well that plaster of Paris or POP is prepared by heating gypsum. So gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O, calcium sulfate dihydrate, CaSO4 2H2O. This is gypsum, and plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find my video useful, please do like and share my video and subscribe my channel to get the latest update of my videos. And if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, comment below. I will try to answer as early as possible.